Hello, my people, what's up? How they happen? Happy weekend to everybody. So, I don't know where you did, so I believe so yes, you enjoy your weekend. So, I see yours the past. So, I get some good news to come drop here and some information to how to apply for this document when in BC Italian say they won't give out. So this document already starts when BC yes to apply since June 1st. So, today now, you don't say when I'm supposed to come talk about this how to apply for this document. So right now, so a lot of people come begin, they call me, they ask me, say how far is it they apply for the document. So I don't give some person the information, so I feel like to say okay, might come up, let a lot of people know how to apply for this document. So if you dare, you hear me, so try me share this video. So this video talk about how to apply for this document. Be saying if for your area where you dey, the poster when dey your area, first of all you go poster. So if your name start for capital letter A, if your name start for capital letter A, so now im be the first set of people who go poster go give them the envelope when the full information dey, when be say wetin you wan fee, like your everything when you go fee, then end of the day so you go submit am. So two, if with your surname will not be your name, your surname, but from on the 10th of this month, so anybody can go, even though your name start for letter A to Z, from on the 10th you fit go any of the poster go collect this the form to fee. So right now, so if e be say yes you want apply for agriculture document, so your boss we won't give you this thing saying could supposed to be 30,000 could, you understand? So those when they Europe, they understand what they try talk. So if you be single, the could of single na 20,000 could, now the single person go be. But if you be person when be say yes, say you want to give person this document, if you get family, your could supposed to be 27,000 could, you understand me? So if anybody want give you, you want help you ask for this document, so you try to let the person know the code range when be say that they look for before the person go fit give you this document. So let us start like this. First of all, agriculture now I feel talking about. So second one, if you be somebody who say they work for Badante, with the help one or two persons, they work for house like that, so then we fit give you this document. So and two, if you be somebody who they do domestic work under person, maybe you they clean the person house, you they come help and they clean house like that, so you go fit the person go fit give you this document too. And so not be only Italian fit give you this document, even stranger fit give you this document. So if you be from Nigeria person, fellow Nigeria person fit give you, Ghana fit give you, Senegal fit give you this document. So it depends on how the person don't stay for this Europe, now you go fit still give you this document. So somebody when gets 2 years document when they this Europe, even though say they work of 5,000 euro, they pay 5,000 euro, the person not fit give you this document. So if you the person when he say yes, he they work for this Italian, you they work for Italian, and your document where you get, you never become 00, or you never get counter, you not fit give person this document. So now only people when be say yes, when get counter and when get 00, now they fit give out this document with their code when they get. So if they want write you contract, so now only one person, if you they do domestic work, now only one person, the person fit write contract for you, because a lot of Nigeria people, they're too greedy about that. So as they don't hear say they want to give out some document out to people, so other people feel they meet, they say they need contract. If you write me contract like as domestic work, at help you for us like that, so people go say okay, may they use this opportunity to make money, you understand? So if you be that person, no do am, you understand? So because now only one person now you fit give this document, this 6 months document, you understand me? So and if you be still the same Nigerian, because I don't hear a lot of complaint too much for everywhere when we say, a lot of people they call me, some people say they complain, say yes, say they for love to, you understand? So get this document, say but because of the way Nigeria people Now the way Nigeria people when be say they live for this place, so the way Nigeria people they live for this place, so the way the things what they do say is too they bad. I want to use this medium to beg our Nigeria people. You understand? So if you they watch me and you did Europe, this message now for you. So this so-called this document when Italian one give out. So before I continue, my first talk to our Nigeria people. If you get opportunity to give anybody, try give them to the person. Because sometimes maybe you go feel they say, oh, I see work for you, but because I say you don't get document. You understand? So I suppose by now you're supposed to do the work. So now, the work where you see for you know the person not get document, you know fit do am. So this one are the opportunity to help that person. Because a lot of people they complain say our Nigeria people say he meet one person come say he meet somebody say the person say now from 5,000 they begin the price because say now 3,000 go feel write contract for the person. What? Why you go do that? Italian when be say they get this document, they decide to give out this document for free. Apart from if you sign contract under agriculture, now they will collect 500 euro because they not say the immigrants they not get money to pay. So why you go be say yes you did this country, then you go come they try to say okay may before somebody you go write contract for the person, then the person have to pay you 5,000 euro or 3,000 euro. What is bad? We will stop this thing. So later we come dey complain for our government, say our government na bad leader there be corruption, but this corruption na from our hand for start. Why all these things? Why? If you want help person, just see that heart of say I want help this person. This money when you dey require, make this person pay you. This money no go reach anything. You understand me? So you no go eat this money forever. So let us be our brother's keeper here. You understand? So if you get this opportunity to help this person, help the person. You understand me? So you know they're very good. Say you see your own fellow person, they the same country with you. You know get what they do because of documents. So why you like to help the person? And you still know say this person not get work. Then you tell the person say me go bring 5,000 euro, 3,000 euro, 2,000 euro. Where you say me for see that same money bring come? Wait for saying me see that money bring come. It's not good. When we stop this attitude. You understand me? So because Nigerian people, especially we in Nigeria, we love to do this thing. We know they do anything free for person here. Why? But we they call ourselves say yes, we'll be one. And some of us will speak the same language. We speak the same language. When we stop this attitude. So if you get opportunity to help anybody, say yes, this is an opportunity. The Italian government, they're not even say make the people when they won't even give the document, may they go bring 2,000 euro. Because they not say the money not there. So you won't be say yes, you come for the you won't be say yes, you did the now your own fellow Nigerian person. You they say me go bring 3,000 euro, 5,000 euro. It make any sense? So for how long you go eat this money? Or now that money so now go come help you. Me you go build the mansion where you want build. So they get word when they talk, they say good name is better than riches. Our Nigeria people, I bet we will change our attitude. So you when you watch me, so I bet share this video when you reach or any other person when you be say yes, you want to use this medium to do what you know they right. If you get person when you know say yes, they suffer for document and you get the opportunity to help that person, call them, carry your phone now, call the person, say, how far you don't hear about these document issues. So how far you they go? What do you think? Then if the person talk about say in the fine contract, if you be say yes, you could reach like that, do it for him. So the person for the full person life, he not go forget you. That one are the truth. That first person full life, he not go forget you. You go remember say there was a time when we say yes, in the need of something. So person help and heart for these issues. But when we can't day like say yes, say we day, we don't want just show love. We don't want show help. So anything concerning Europe, say that it must be money. Even come on to just say you see some person go come meet you, tell you say, help me. I won't go this office, but I don't speak this language. Follow me, go there. The person go tell you say bring money come. Your own fellow Nigeria person. Not be wetin good. Mo change this bad name. At least mo see watch other country the way they behave. You don't ever hear say Senegal person or Ivory Coast person or Mali or Ghana or Sierra Leone or Bangladesh or how they call Morocco. They won't go do something for their fellow brother. They collect 1 naira. They know they collect 1 naira. Or they then go see work. They work. They go see use that mind. Take call their own brothers. So me come follow them. They work. But we Nigeria, we know they do them. I will come for the same country. With the love what we get. After tomorrow, will they say yes? Say our leader now corrupt. All of them corrupt. Will they blame the leaders? So before you blame the leader, first check your life first. First check your own self. The things where you they do, is they right or not? So more change this attitude, more change this name. You understand me? So if you be that person where you they do this thing, so stop that thing. That'll be that 3,000 euro, 2,000 euro, or 5,000 euro will make you come go build house. No. You know, will make instead of that, you go use the money unnecessary way. You don't even know what to use the money for. Because the person give you through with pains. All the name of say yes, say in 1 year, you need this thing. So you not get choice to like give you that money. And you go collect them. And you will still collect for 1 person, collect for 2 persons, son. And you know say your code where you get now only 1 person now if you collect, now you feel give that document. And you will go collect you will collect for 2 people or 3 persons, sons. So more we change our ways. More change all this attitude. So if you're good when you know say yes, and we Nigeria, we be say if you be say you be Nigeria person or you come from any country, they listen to me. If anybody want write you contract, ask the person say if you don't write anybody contract, no write contract with the person. Because they're not going to give you the document. You go collect your money, end of the day. You not go get that document. You understand me so? So more they very careful because our Nigerian people, we are too greedy. And those greediness is very, very bad. We should stop all this greediness stuff. You understand me so? So if they watch me, so try share this video. Me reach other people when we say they do this, when they get this art of this wicked art for their mind. So if you be Nigeria or you be Gambia or you be Senegal, anywhere you for come. So if you know say you get brother for this country or you get sister for this country, meet them. If you be say don't stay, get a long stay resident. If he give you this document, beg the person. If he give you this document, read. So if na person will be say don't marry, you get wife. If you wife and what is sweet pass, if you get wife and talk they don't stay for the country, don't take. You understand me so? If that code not correct, they merge code. They go merge. This one bring you, this one bring you. They go merge and they'll give you this document. You understand me so? So if you be somebody will be single person, if you get 20,000 code, you fit give person document. Find 1 person make you help. You when you get now and 2. My let you know. Anybody when be say yes, he did this country so. If you be say yes, say this document as it come out. So if you say get 2 years, you want to say he get work of 5,000 euro or 3,000 euro, they pay and he could complete to like figure this document. No apply, they're not gonna give you. Because the only people when they want, now people will be say they don't stay yet for Italian. The stranger when he give you that the foreigners when he give you this document. If you never get counter, you know if you give person the document. And if your document not be 00, you know if you give person this document. So if you get 00, so if you help anybody apply, say the person now like if you put into domestic documents, say the person they can't help you they clean, they can't help you they do things for house like that. You understand? So or if you be woman, you won't give the person the document. You get picking, you feel the person you feel the help you the look after your picking. If you give that woman, if you give that man document, someone will try to see how we stay help each other. You understand? So and 2, if you collect the person give you this contract, go poster, collect the form, fill am. If you fill am, they go collect 30 euro from your hand for service. Nenemi. They collect 30 euro for your hand. After they don't feel and finish. You go make sure say yes, say man are listening very well. You go make sure say yes, say you carry the contract, and you go carry anything when you say yes, it don't make you stay Italy tay. So like anything like maybe your old sojourner or anything when you get to show say yes, you stay the country. Your old sojourner, you feel like you go fit carry that thing join body. And 3, you go if you get passport, you had your passport. If you don't get your passport, any ID card when you consign in Nigeria, you feel meet go your embassy, they go give you your nationality. You understand? So you go add and join, and so then you go submit them. If you submit them, so this document they will begin start processing. And then for poster, you can't go back to poster. If you can't go back to poster go collect 130 euro for your hand. So with that first 30 euro when you first pay, all will come be 160 euro. Now they get to collect from your hand. So they can't give you receipt. That receipt means say you feel that they work out for any place, police arouse you, you bring out the receipt out, show them. You understand? That receipt go come stand as like your document. You understand? If you have to do anything, you understand? So, and we in Nigeria with the complaint say the document no long. So more will try to like start for somewhere. So some people say they don't want to apply because the thing no long. So if you start to apply, you get this thing. That's 6 months. If you say yes, you still get contract. You renew that 6 months again. Before you know, you don't build this document. If you renew them 2 times or once, you feel change them to say you want to work for any other place. So the document will come like as they read say they work. So now so they will still increase the stay of the document. You understand? So you go to build the document small before you realize that document will come strong. But more not take and come and say the thing no long. You understand me? So but if you come it dey better say yes, say you use this document when they give you. You didn't say they do work when you dey work. Before you understand this document, you go build them to an extent that you feel that they do anything. But if you don't get document, you stay like that. Nobody know. We remember as when Savini come, you see the laws when Savini put concerning foreigners. So the thing affects a lot of people. When Savini come say, if you not get document, if you get document, you know it's until they work, they go collect the document from your hand if you want to renew them. So and a lot of people lost their document during that time. We understand this thing. What are they trying to talk? We understand that. So right now, so and people will be saying yes, say they collect document from their hand. This one are your own opportunity to constantly reapply again. If you reapply again for this document where they won't give out so that your former document they will give you back again. You understand? So if you don't already forget documents, they seize them from your hand. But me not be criminal case. If it be criminal stuff, they're not going to give you the document. You understand? So if you be say or you get problem with the police say yes, say you get maybe you don't feel goes sell this stuff, they're not going to give you this document. So for those who be say yes, you not get this stuff. So Mona try apply. Mona no reason and say yes, the thing they short because nobody know where the next law when they want bring come out. Because if you say the document they short, you not can reapply. End of the day, you're surprised say they can put one law, you not can get the document again. Front, you not go back, you not go, you all remain like that. I want to stay work, I want to stay feed like that. So you when you watch me, so try share this video, reach other persons and our Nigeria persons when we say they very greedy concerning for those when we say they want to write contracts to. And if you be Nigeria person, you want to write contract to anybody, no abuse God to beg you. What it be 5,000 euro? You not go eat out the rest of your life. So you don't stay here, you don't get that long stay. Your resident and long stay resident 0-0, you get 0-0. So that person when they say you want help, say I get work for you better because you don't get document, that make you know the work. So this one are the opportunity, carry phone, call the person. Tell her say come, might do this document for you like that. So if you do am, na only God na fit bless you, no be the money be the thing. I don't know why una dey understand me. So more we try change our attitude. So for those who be say yes, they listen to these issues, because a lot of people they come in, they send me text message, they say I they want to apply, I they want to apply. So now the way to apply, now I tell you now. So you now just to go to poster from on the from they don't already start am from 1st of June, and this application go end for July 15th. In no long. So may you try your possible best. This is not your opportunity to like get the document when you say the fair collect from your hand, or you know fair get before. So try may you apply. You understand? So because I understand say our Nigerian people they begin the ask of money, too much of money. Like that, say okay, fine. If you want me do this document for you, like some people they come and tell me say, imagine person will say you want to do document for me. You say I go bring 5,000. When you say I go see 5,000 for short stay document, our Nigeria persons, more not changing our ways. More change our ways. What is for say me that same person will be saying no they work, see 5,000 euro. Or you can see you the price and because you go bring 2,000 euro come. Now that money na go reach you to build that mansions where you want build. So we will change our ways. So we will be our brother's keeper. We see Senegal, we see Gambia, we see Ivory Coast. We see all these countries. If they won't do anything, they cooperate, do something for their brothers. With taxi, they know they collect 1 naira. If they know say yes, they'll fit do that thing. So our own no fit be different. More try, more change. So now this is what I get to come talk about. So if you be this person where they watch me say you want to apply before you don't know what to do, or if you don't fair work, maybe you work last year, you work under hotel like that, cleaning job now still under domestic work. You understand? So if you work under hotel, you not forget this. If you get your Bosta Paga, you get the contract, you are entitled to carry. You don't need or any other person. As long as you don't forget that contract and you get your Bosta Paga. So carry the Bosta Paga, carry your contract, go and this thing, go Posta Pay. They go give you the form there. You go collect it with 30 euro. So you cannot go ready for the fill and they will fill them. You feel like you go return and you pay 130 euro. Everything will come be 160 euro. Now the government just need from you. The document is yours. So our Nigerian people move take it easy. Not be when we say we can't go to tell our own fellow Nigerian person, because we say corruption start for our leaders, they're not good, our leaders this. But what about us? We check our life. What will be the thing when we say yes, you don't feel say end corruption? When you say yes, that person when you say you cry for document, you know, you say you tell us me go bring money come for you. Without that money, say you know go feel help and write contract. Me get document. Why? So we should stop this attitude. Most stop all this behavior. You know they're right. Or somebody can call you for help, say help me go interpret something. You say me the person pay you money. Why you go do that? And two, if you say yes, say maybe you get person, you get 2 years document, get 5 years document. But if you never get counter, I repeat, if you never get counter or 00, you know if you give you this document. Now only those where you don't get counter, when you get 00, now they feel give you this document. Like people will be say yes, they get business for year. When you don't get counter, if he give you the document, now for it, now only say now you say me you sign the contract for you. Finish, you don't finish. Or person we don't stay here, when you don't get this counter for this place when he as he don't stay here, so he could. If you be single person, you could now it will be 20,000 could. If you get that one, so you don't give that person when they cry for document. So if you not be single, you be family person, 27,000 could you give her. So for agriculture, 30,000 could now you need. So try me you help 1 or 2 persons. So now so you just be. My guys, when I try, move this say because some persons I when they talk to some person, I when they carry my phone, they call some person say, I you see this document when you come and so why you try and apply now? Some person they say therefore like apply say but they not get who want write contract for them like that. So because of everybody want collect money, so go try them this time around. So you try share the video, may reach all those ones wey be say they look for money. Like say if without money they not fit write you contract. So if they hear this video, I believe say yes, their heart go it go soften their heart to see say yes, may they do one or two good to person. You understand? So you will be say yes, you say the document 2 days short, you don't know what will happen tomorrow. So try me you apply. You will build the document small. You understand? The sweet part be say if you start from that 6 months, from 6 months to another 6 months, before you renew them again, if you, as soon as you dey work, the document will increase for you. So try me you apply. No look and come on like that because nobody know the next prime minister when they want to put. You don't know the laws when you want to put. If you come say anybody will not get document, you don't want to for a country again. So what you want to do? So you can start for square one again. So this one are your opportunity, like to do one or two things to change your own. You change your own story. Say yes, you get working documents like that. So let me the good news when I carry come. So if you be say yes, say you want to apply, you define it difficult. You don't know what to do. So drop your comment below there, or you get anything with the bother you, or anything you don't see like that. Drop your comment below there. May you share the video because this thing does already start since June 1st of June and July 15th. It go end. You not get long stay like that. So the opportunity for those when we say they not get this document. So me to get your own document like that. So happy Sunday, everybody. I wish you the best of Sunday. I love you guys. Bye. Ciao.